Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. The customer highly customized this machine, which made it particularly challenging to repair. And we replaced heating element O-ring. There was a bad connection between the pressure regulator valve and the boiler, and we also replaced the pump and had to put a new fitting in. Because of the way the customer installed the pressure gauge with the old pump. And there's a lot of custom stuff on this. Custom steam valve, which just makes it kind of quirky. But it's, let's see how it pours a shot. When I tried to pour a shot earlier, it was leaking. I see this is not a Rancilio brand portafilter. And the gasket is new, but I don't know if the customer used a Rancilio gasket in the group head. So it may leak, but from the group head, but we did not do any repairs to that part of the machine. So let's see how it goes. Oh, it's not leaking. It looks like a pretty good shot. Pressure is at 9 bar, so that's good. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. As you can see, the Silvia has a hard time keeping up the heat throughout the entire shot pour. And I don't know why, it looks like it's programmed for 203, but it never gets up to 203. I don't know how the PID is programmed. So you see, it gets up to 197, 98. Now it's actually going up. Before it was kind of capping at 198. Oh, anyways, we didn't install the PID, so let's go ahead and check the steam. And it'll go way above now, because it's switching from the PID to the thermostat. And instead of pulsing towards the end of the shot, or to the target temperature, it just goes straight with the heating element being on all the time. So I'm thinking the PID, any PID should be offset from the boiler to the group head, so I don't think the boiler is really at 282 degrees Fahrenheit. That'd be pretty hot. But maybe, I don't know. I haven't thought about the conversion. I usually think in Celsius. Let's see. So let's go. The heat element just turned off. So let's go ahead and test. Really strong steam. So I think the heat, that this machine is getting really hot. But that's how the person customized it. Once again, we didn't do anything to that part of the machine. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.